Assalamualaikum 9th class. My name is Maria Kusan and I will teach you designing a website, which is chapter number 5. And you can see these are the HTML tag which are helpful to create a web page. And already we have discussed some HTML tag like as exclamation dog type HTML opening and closing tag, head opening and closing tag, body opening and closing tag, and header. For heading purpose we already know H1, H2, H3 and H4, and we learn for like as font tag, unordered list, UL, OL, and LI list item. And next one is DL, and you can see first one is our opening DL tag, which is less than, DL greater than, and next one is closing DL tag, less than slash DL greater than. You can see the purpose. It creates a definition list. Example, you can see less than, DL greater than, write something here, and like as you can write some menus like as coffee, tea, or drinks, and closing tag is less than slash DL greater than. Our next tag is HTML tag is less than, DT greater than. This is our opening tag, and closing tag is less than slash DT greater than. You see the purpose. DT tag is used to define a term, okay, or in the name of in a name or description list. Like as if you have a like as a menu like coffee, then you have a term like as in the form of hot coffee, cold coffee. You can define this. Example, less than, DT greater than, write something here, and closing tag is less than, DT greater than. Next, our HTML tag is DD. It describes the term. Less than, DD greater than, this is our opening tag and this is our closing tag, less than slash DD greater than. You can see the purpose. Provide a description for a term in our description list used to describe a term. You can see the example, less than, DD greater than, write something here, less than slash DD greater than. So these are the terms that are used in our ordered list or unordered list. If you have a menu like as coffee, then we have to define these terms and describe the list in the form of like as we have a menu coffee and have a term like as cold coffee and a hot coffee, which you have prefer, you can call it. So these are list like as helpful for in our restaurant menu. If we create a website like as for a restaurant, coffee shop, then we use this HTML tag for creating that type of website. And next tag we are using the image tag. As we already know, if we write some text, then we have to put some images on our web page that will be visualized or look graceful, look attractive. For this purpose we are add some images in our web page. So our tag is less than img, greater than. You can see the purpose. Insert images in a web page. Example, you can see less than image. Within a image tag, we write the source src equal, within a double quotes we write the url and write the greater than. Next our tag is source src. You can see the purpose. It specifies the url source of an image. Like as if we already upload images, then we take that image from Google or our web page or our Facebook page, Instagram page. We can copy the link and paste in our url. Okay, and if you directly import your insert image from your desktop, then it will shows the link of your desktop and file name, in which folder you will save, and it will shows the format, like as image will be in jpg format, png format or a gif format. Okay, then you have to put the exact information, and after that your picture will be displayed on your web page. But if you already upload these images on a web page, then you simply copy the url, okay, and then paste it. And these are very helpful for us, like as it will be helpful, like as it is helpful for like is in our memory. We save our memory, save data, and like is in the form of MBs. Next we have HTML tag, which is less than table, greater than, less than slash table, greater than. So class, always you have to remember one thing which is very important for us. If we write any opening tag, then we have to close the that tag. Like as if you forget, like as I write the HTML table tag slash like as less than table, greater than, and I forget to write the table like as closing tag less than slash table greater than, then your code will not perform the work, and it will not be displayed on your screen. So always remember, if you write the opening tag, then you have to write the closing tag. Okay, it will be a good practice. And students, you already know we are write these codes in our notepad, and if you install a Visual Studio web application, then you can practice on that software. If you want these application like as in the form of practical, you can write that practical in the comments. If I prefer more than 30 students, then I will definitely upload these videos, because in this session we learn some practical work and practice on it. Like as if you have your laptop or computer, you can practice on it. If you doesn't have any of these features or function or these equipments, then you simply install the HTML application from your Play Store and practice on it. Okay, so next you can see the example. Less than table, greater than something here, less than, greater than, less than slash table, greater than, and HTML tag is function, function name, parentheses, brackets. These are called parentheses in a computer language. You can see the purpose. It creates a function for HTML. You can see the example: function, exclamation and parentheses. So these are the HTML tags that students you have to learn it, and in this week you will able to I will give you some tests which are very helpful for you. So students who have to view the videos, our previous video, like as lesson 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are the 3 lessons. You have to remember it and learn these HTML tags, and next you will take these codes and do practice and write these test, learn it, and firstly you write these work on your notebooks and send to me in our WhatsApp group. Any confusion, any question, you can directly ask me in the comment section. And if you are focused on HTML language, then you definitely tell me in this video in the comment section, like as practical, write the word practical, then I will definitely upload our record video, like as from in the software Notepad or Visual Studio. That will be definitely helpful for you. So class, you always learn it and practice it. Okay, Allah Hafiz class.